Hello everyone, here I'm back with another video. Today I'm selling my scrap, so let me show you quickly what I get. The buyer is coming. So cell phone batteries, power supplies. I'm curious if he will buy this. I don't know. Here plugs. I don't know about this either. Low grade wire. So two bags here. High grade wire. Mid grade boards. I don't know if you can see. So DVD boards, switches and routers. High grade boards. Look at this board. Oh, here is my hand, so you can see. Yeah, so it's a big board. I'm curious what price I will get for this. And vintage slot cards, vintage PC motherboards. So I expect a good price for this kind of boards. If the prices are not as I like, I'm not gonna sell. So yeah, I can quickly find another buyer. Aluminum, low grade here. Hard drives, scrapped out. The motherboards are here. So the prices for hard drives is $1 a kilo, but the board it's more valuable. So for the new ones on scrapping, scrap this out, because the board is more expensive than $1 a kilo. So motherboards here, PC motherboards, slot cards, usually regular slot cards, video and so on. Let me pass here. I have aluminum radiator, copper aluminum radiator, and the steel pyre. Yeah, I will record if the buyer it's okay with that. I will record when it's here, and of course I will tell you prices after the pickup.